Hi guys, welcome to Strides, and today we are here with the construction of angles. We are having different angles, and we know that all of you do the construction with the help of a protector. But now today I've already given the video regarding the construction of angles. So today we are doing the construction of triangles. In triangles we are different criteria we are having with the help of which we do the construction. We need at least three information for the construction of triangle. Either the three sides should be given, or the two sides and one included angle should be given. That means SAS criterion should be given, or ASA criterion should be given. That means two angles and the included side should be given to us, or a right angle, hypotenuse and side should be given to us if it is a right angle triangle, or otherwise we can be given two sides already I told you, ASA, SAS, SSS, like that it should be given. Either two sides on an included angle, or two angles and an included side, or right angle, hypotenuse and side should be given. So considering all these four criteria, we will do the construction of triangles today. Before starting it, I just remind you that do not forget to like the channel, like the video, and subscribe for the channel, and also share it with your friends. And if you have any comment, or if you need for videos, any further videos on a particular topic, then please mention it in the comment box. Okay, now let's start the construction. So let us start with the construction of triangles, which is in class 7th, as I have already told you. So now for construction of triangles, there are few conditions. Okay, now those conditions are like SSS. That means three conditions are necessary to be given for the construction of triangle. Either there will be SSS, that means three sides will be given to you, or there will be SAS, or there will be SAS, means two sides and the included angle. Included angle means the angle between those two sides. Suppose we are given, this is a triangle, we are given these two sides, then the included angle will be this one. Okay, so the included angle and the two sides, or maybe ASA, that means two angles and the included side, the side between the two given angles, and maybe RHS. RHS means one angle may be given as a right angle, the other may be hypotenuse given to us, and the third, that is the side, may be given to us. Okay, so these are the things these are the measurements which may be given to you, and accordingly you are supposed to construct the triangle. So first we start with SSS, where three sides of the triangle are given and we are supposed to construct the triangle. So let us take triangle ABC. We need to construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so the triangle will be somewhat like this: A, B, C, where BC is given as 6 centimeter, AB is given as 5 centimeter, and AC is given as 7 centimeter. Okay, we have already gone through the construction of angles, and already you know that how to draw a line and cut arcs. All these things are already clear to you. So now starting with the construction of triangle, in which BC is given as equal to 6 centimeter. So taking BC 6 centimeter, here, okay, 6 centimeter. Now with B as center and radius, we need the point A now. So with B as center and radius 5 centimeter, we'll draw an arc. Now again, that will not give us the point A, but it will give the location of the point A, that where it will lie. Okay, so then what we are supposed to do, with C as center and radius 7 centimeter, we'll again cut an arc which will give us the point A. So here we get the point and get the arc. Now with C as center and radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Taking the radius of 7 centimeter on our compass, we cut this. So here we have got the point A. So what will be the steps of construction? Draw BC is equal to 6 centimeter with B as center and radius 5 centimeter. Draw an arc with C as center and radius 7 centimeter. Draw an arc intersecting the previous arc at A. Join AB and AC. ABC is the required triangle where AB is equal to 5 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. This is the method to construct a triangle when three sides SSS criterion is taken. That means three sides are given to us. Okay. Now let us come to the other criterion, and that is SAS, where two sides and the included angle is given to us. So let us take triangle PQR. We are supposed to construct triangle PQR where PQ is given as equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. QR is given to us as equal to 5.5 centimeter and angle PQR is given to us as equal to 60 degree. Okay, now let us draw the rough figure of it. This is triangle PQR. Okay, we are given QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter. We are given PQ is equal to 3 centimeter and angle PQR is given to us as 60 degree. Okay, now starting with the construction, QR that is given to us as 5.5 centimeter. So starting from here, okay, 5.5 centimeter, 5 and here 5.5. Okay, name it QR 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now we are given that angle Q is equal to 60 degree. Now already in the previous video we have learned the construction of angles, and 60 degree was the first angle that we constructed and this is the easiest one. So taking here, draw with Q as center and any radius, draw the arc and the point where it cuts the line segment QR, from there again with the same measurement cut the previous arc and join that point to Q. That gives us the angle of 60 degree. This is the angle of 60 degree. Okay, and we have extended it. Now we know that PQ is equal to 3 centimeter. So with Q as center and radius is equal to 3 centimeter, what do? We cut this cut an arc intersecting this ray at the point P and we get the point P there. So this is the radius of 3 centimeter. With Q as center, radius 3 centimeter, cut an arc intersecting the ray at P. This is the point P and we'll join it to R to form angle PQR. This is an angle of 60 degree and this is our triangle. So what were the steps? First, draw QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter. At Q, construct an angle of 60 degree with Q as center and radius 3 centimeter. Cut an arc intersecting the ray drawn in the previous step at P. Join PR. PQR is the required triangle. Okay. Now, let us take the other one where we are supposed to construct a triangle with the criterion ASA, that means two angles and one included side is given to us. Okay, now let us take triangle XYZ where XY is given to us as equal to 6 centimeter and measure of angle ZXY is given to us as equal to 30 degree and measure of angle XYZ is given to us as equal to 105 degree. Both these angles construction we have learned in the previous video. Now let us see how to construct this triangle. First we are given the measure of XY. Let us draw a rough figure. Okay, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now here we know that angle XYZ, though this is a rough figure, we are supposed to take it as 105 degrees, so it will go as an obtuse angle. Okay. Now ZXY is also given to us as equal to 30 degree. Okay, and this xy is given to us as equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so that is why we have taken xy as the base, because the measurement of xy is given to us. Okay, now let us start. Xy is equal to 6 centimeter. So from here, centimeter. Okay, x, y, 6 centimeter. Okay, now at x we are supposed to construct an angle of 60 degree. So here, with x as center and any radius, sorry, not 60 but it is 30, x as center and any radius, draw an arc, cut that arc again. That will give us the angle of 60 degree, but we need of 30 degree, so we'll bisect it. Okay, so here we have got a point. If we join it to x, that will give us an angle of 30 degree. Okay, so here this is an angle of 30 degree. We extend it, okay, to form a ray. Now at y we are supposed to construct an angle of 105 degree. Okay, draw an arc with any measurement. Okay, now cut that arc, again cut it, because now we need more than 90 degree. Okay, so here at 2 points we have cut. We will first construct the angle of 90 degree and then bisect the angle of 90 and 120 degree. That will give us the angle of 105 degree. So this is the point. We just join it with a dotted line, because we actually don't need the angle of 90 degree. We just need this point where it intersects this arc. Okay, now with this point as center and this point as center, we cut arcs which intersect at a point here. Okay, now if we join this, then we get the angle of 105 degree. Okay, so let us join it. First we'll extend this line a little bit more, and here join this point to y, and this point where it intersects the previous ray is the point Z. Okay, so here we have got a triangle XYZ, where angle X is equal to 30 degree, XY is equal to 6 centimeter, and angle XYZ is equal to 105 degree. Okay, so what were the steps? And draw xy is equal to 6 centimeter. At x, construct an angle of 30 degree. At y, construct an angle of 105 degree, which intersects the previous ray, the ray drawn in the previous step at z, and here we have got the angle of triangle XYZ. Now the last one is construction by RHS. Okay, we are given one right angle and hypotenuse and a side. So here let us name it as LMN. Okay, which is right angled at M. Okay, so that means that angle M is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now LN is equal to 5 centimeter and MN is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, these are the measurements that are given to us. Now first of all, let us draw the rough figure. So we know that it is right angled at M, so M is here. Okay, now other two we can draw here, L and N. L, M, N. Now MN is given as equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, LN is given as equal to 5 centimeter. We are not given this side, and we are given that this is a 90 degree angle. So first let us draw MN is equal to 3 centimeter. So here 3 centimeter. Okay, this is MN. Okay, now at M we are supposed to construct an angle of 90 degree. We already know the construction of angle of 90 degree. So here we draw an arc with any measurement, cut it, again cut it, and then bisect it to get the angle of 90 degree. So this point, when we join to M, it gives us an angle of 90 degree. Okay, extend it to form a ray. Now with N as center and radius 5 centimeter, we'll cut an arc which intersects this point at this ray at the point L. So taking the radius of 5 centimeter on our compass, let us cut an arc. Let's see, we need to extend the line. Yes, we need to extend this line. So let us extend it. So what is this point? L. We have got the point L. Now we join it to N. We have got the triangle LMN, where MN is equal to 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, and this is 90 degree angle. So what were the steps of construction? Draw MN is equal to 3 centimeter. At M, construct an angle of 90 degree. At N, with N as center and radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting the ray drawn in the previous step at L. LMN is the required triangle. Similarly, you may also be given to draw the line parallel to the given line at a given point, and you may also be given that how to draw a line perpendicular to a given line from the point outside it. All these you may also be required to draw. That we will discuss in the other video. Right now we have just learned to construct the triangles with the SSS criterion, with SAS criterion, and then ASA criterion as well as RHS criterion. Okay, I hope you understood it very well, and now onwards there will be no mistake in doing construction, because construction most probably comes as a 5 marks question in the exam. So I hope that you'll score that 5 marks full. Okay, do not forget to subscribe for the channel and share it. Okay, thank you.